In today's video, I'll show you how to open a z.p file in Google Drive, a quick and simple process that helps you view and extract compressed files directly in your Drive without downloading anything to your computer. Whether you're sharing project files with colleagues or organizing your own data, this method will make working with zip files effortless. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. If you're not already signed in, log in using your Google account credentials. Once you're in, you'll see your Google Drive dashboard, where all your folders and files are stored. Next, locate the zip file you want to open. You can either scroll through your files or type the file's name into the search bar at the top. When you find it, click once on the file to select it. This will highlight the file and show you additional options in the top toolbar. Now, look toward the top of your screen and click on Open With. A drop-down menu will appear, showing a list of compatible apps that can handle your zip file. From this list, select zip extractor. If you don't see zip extractor yet, don't worry. You can easily install it from the Chrome Web Store. Just search for zip extractor, click Add to Drive, and follow the quick setup steps. Once installed, go back to your zip file and select Open with zip extractor. The first time you use this tool, you'll need to authorize it to access your Google Drive. Click Authorize zip extractor and then follow the on-screen prompts to allow permissions. After authorization, click Open zip from Google Drive. A new window will open where you can confirm your Google account and select the zip file again if needed. You'll then see a list of the files contained inside the zip. Review the contents to ensure everything looks correct, and when you're ready, click Extract to Drive. Zip extractor will now begin unpacking your files and saving them directly into a new folder in your Google Drive. The extraction process only takes a few moments depending on the size of the zip file. Once it's finished, you'll see a folder with the same name as your zip file. Open it to access all your unzipped files. And that's it. You've successfully opened and extracted a zip file in Google Drive. This method not only saves you from having to download files to your computer, but also keeps everything stored securely in the cloud, making it easier to share, organize, and collaborate on projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips.